y'all, welcome to Vlogmas. Today we're going to do some holiday shopping at Macy's. All right, y'all, so we're going to start off with our holiday outfits, okay? So Macy's has a plethora of options for holiday looks. They even got a runway. They got a runway and seats for you, okay? So we have this red shimmery dress, which is great for your Christmas parties, your Christmas dinners. There goes the price right there. They do have some sales, so of course you can always check prices with their price scanner. Look, then they got some cocktail mixers for the low for $13.99. Those could possibly be on sale too, so make sure you just check all the prices of your items. They have outfits for the whole family, outfits for your child, outfits for your man. Macy's gonna get you right. All right, y'all. So of course they have the slippers, the furry warm slippers that go along with your family pajama set, so y'all can be matching from head to toe. So I didn't know this. I didn't know Macy's does like holiday treats, but I thought this was so cute. Like the hot cocoa bombs. I think that's super cute. Make sure you check the expiration date, y'all. And they were 50% off. And then this hot chocolate set was really cute too. I think that's a great gift to give somebody who likes hot chocolate. And then also there is a hot cocoa kit. So that's something fun to do with your family or with your friends during this season. On to the pajama sets, okay? Look at the pajama sets. And they even call it Family PJs. That's the brand. Because they have the pajama set in all different sizes. In adult sizes, in children's sizes, in toddler, baby sizes. So you have options to get different sizes for all the people in your family, okay? And they have like different choices, and you can see how it looks on a whole family. All right, y'all, back to the treats. They have this gingerbread cookie baking kit, which I thought was super cool. That's $18. And then they also have a sugar cookie one too for those that don't like gingerbread. You got an option with sugar, and I like the cookie cutter that they give you as well, so that's super cute. Look, Macy's is giving you ideas of things to do this holiday season, okay? Then you got your pre-baked gingerbread kit. Okay, have some fun in the kitchen this holiday season. Don't burn it down like me. All right, on to the beauty stuff. Of course, we have some beauty kits that include a plethora of different beauty brands like Lancome, Unite Hair, Too Faced. So that's cute if you want to give that to somebody for variety. Then you have an eyeshadow palette, which comes with a whole bunch of different colors, okay? I know the eyeshadow palette I use now got like 6 colors, but this has 20 different colors. So you got a lot of options with that palette. Another gift is earring sets. If you know somebody's style, that they're real fashionable, definitely get them like an earring set. Like these earrings right here. If somebody want to buy me these, go ahead and do that. And a choker. I don't own a choker, so this would be a great gift to get me. My P.O. box, just send me an email and I get my P.O. box. And look at this glam case. The glam case comes with so many different eyeshadow options, and you get your brushes as well. So that's a really cute case for all my makeup lovers or anybody who you know who's just like trying out makeup. This is a good gift to get them. So we're back with our holiday apparel. This gold shimmery dress is really cute. It looks like it'll be fitted. It depends on your body type. And then they had this 2-piece sequin blazer pants set. I was like, okay, this is like you stepping right on into Christmas with this look, okay? You stepping right on in. But you could switch it up and do a red blazer, black pants, or a black blazer and the red pants. Also, of course, they have holiday sweaters. You have red, you have white, and I think they have black somewhere. Okay, they have black in this design. And you have different designs too. Get your shoulders open because you know it's going to be hot at these holiday parties. So I like the option of having your shoulders open to give you a little bit of air. All right, y'all, but New Year's ready. Who ready for the new year? Who ready for the New Year party? Look at this silver sequin dress. I was like, oh my God, like this dress is so cute. It's by Guess. So y'all know how Guess do with their prices. That's just what it is. But I think that's a super cute New Year's Eve dress. Then your mini fragrance sets, $50 and under. Come on. Come on. If you want to try out that Gucci, go ahead and get you a little fragrance set. See if you really like it. Victor and Rolf, y'all, I just got the Flower Bomb perfume. I absolutely love it. So this is definitely a good idea if you want to give somebody just like a smaller fragrance set. I think that would smell good for sure. I can guarantee that. Just a couture still making stuff. All right, and then you got Burberry. You got some options here for the scents that you can give out to people. Yeah, I'm super excited for the days that I can just buy boots like this. Buy boots like this, I know I'm only going to wear once or twice a year. I thought that these were like so cute, y'all. They were so cute. The price, not that great. But nonetheless, like these are really, really cute boots. I think that's like these boots are a statement piece. You can wear like an all black dress and wear these boots to any holiday party. Everybody gonna be talking about your shoes. Everybody. They even have some cowboy boot options. And then these with the fringe, with the bedazzled fringe, I thought that those were cute too. Again, they about $200. 200 done. I don't know about all that. But they are nice statement piece shoes. For the kids, we ain't never gonna forget about the kids. Y'all, isn't Toys R Us out of business? But I guess they came back and they doing something with Macys. Maybe they, of course they don't have no stores anymore, but maybe they kept a branch of Toys R Us open to do a partnership with Macys. So you got a lot of toy options for all the kids in your life, for your kids, for your nieces, for your nephews, for your cousins' kids, for your auntie and them kids, for your great-great-grandkids, your grandkids. Macy's going to get you with the toy options. And then they also had more snacks. I said, dang, Macy's. Macy's is feeling like Target. I'm like, y'all got food in here now? Like, what's going on? I don't know that I would necessarily buy any food products from Macy's just because, you know, y'all know why. Anyways, moving along to upstairs. Okay, upstairs, I was greeted with another Toys R Us section. I said, all right now, Toys R Us, I guess you just took everything you had and you put it in Macy's. They said, this is all the inventory we have. We're just going to put it all at Macy's. So, have no fear. Toys R Us is still here. They just in Macy's. Now, the holiday bedding and pillow decor are this good. This is good for people who like it. You got some options at Macy's. Now, this sheet set, I wouldn't even consider that holiday because you could use that any time of the year. But these pillows, yeah, these are definitely once-a-year pillows or never. And this is great. Y'all know I be talking about feet. Y'all know I be talking about feet. This is a good gift to get somebody whose feet needs a little TLC, at-home TLC. Then, oh, y'all, they had like these cute wine glass and mug sets. I tried to pick this up and show y'all, but the box was coming apart. I said, let me just put this down because you break, you buy, and we know I ain't buying. I didn't really care for this one. This one don't look that great, but this one over here, this green one, I think that is like a super cute gift to give somebody or to gift to yourself and have like maybe like a girls' night in. Whew, y'all, more pajama sets. Whew, you can't have enough pajama sets, I guess. Imagine pajama sets. You got your Minnie Mouse. Disney had to come through and make some pajama sets. They knew what they was doing. But anyways, y'all, Macy's has plenty of options for your family pajama sets. So if you don't have those yet, go ahead and run to Macy's and get you some matching sets for your family or somebody else's family, or just don't get them at all. And then also they have the house slippers. They have a different variety. I love like these furry ones. They just feel so good. They're so soft. And these were under $20. They're like half off or something. So that's a good deal. And also, if you have a Macy's coupon, you can get even more of a discount. So make sure you go on the website. Make sure you're signed up for their deals and coupons. Go ahead and put your email in, and they will email you when they are having, extra sales so that you don't miss out. So they also still have some Christmas decor up. Yeah, I was like, what is this like black nutcracker thingy? I thought this was so cool. I said, look, diversity. I see what y'all doing here. So they have Christmas decor on sale. Look at Homegirl and her hair. They couldn't get no better texture hair. Anywho, if you still need some Christmas decorations because you're a last minute person, go ahead and head over to Macy's for some sales. Of course, they have some skincare. Y'all, they have so many options for skincare set. I'm not familiar with all these brands, but there is nothing that Google will not tell you. But if you know these brands or you know somebody who enjoys these brands, I would definitely get them a set. I always think like a perfume, a roll-on, and a lotion set is really, really cool. All right, we all know Clinique, y'all. I don't know how much this is. It was a very, very heavy box. So that's a big boy gift. If you know somebody who really loves Clinique, that's a great option. Then you got your $25 and under section. So you still have, you know, your beauty, your face products, your body products, and a mask set. A mask set is always good for relaxation. And of course, makeup brushes is always a good idea. I think you cannot go wrong with that. You have a cheek palette, a lipstick set, like just so many options for different gifts that you can get people. All right, y'all, I'm under the weather, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning into today's Vlogmas. Peace.